So it is very happy to see you here. So I want to tell you two important things. Usually your teachers might have given many instructions and guidelines in the classrooms, but I don't want to give such kind of guidelines in anything. Okay, so just a casual talk. So I'll give you one small general. The past, I want to give you the way in future how you have to be. Just I want to give you one small real example so that your mindset, your thinking will change. As you know that Thomas Alva Edison, am I right? So he is the inventor of bulb. You know that when he want to invent that bulb, he failed many times. Understood? As history says, around 10,000 times he failed. But many of you know, out of 10,000, around 1,000 new inventions direction has given that failure attempts. Understand? The 1,000 failure attempts has given new direction to invent 1,000 new things. Understand? That means failure is not the final destination. Understand? So, whenever, if you fail to achieve anything, don't disappoint. It will create new opportunity for you. It will guide you in a new way. It will guide you how to prepare for next examination. Understand? So, be happy, be comfortable, be relaxed. Today, the day is yours. You can enjoy. I don't want to take much more time. And I want to tell you one important point. That is small appreciation. As last academic year, we have 10th class results. We have seen throughout the AP. So, outstandingly, I want to announce here, because we have conducted many meetings anywhere. But out of all AP, around 300 branches, out of 300 branches, Kannur IPL is the topmost 10th result campus. So I am very proud to announce it here. Kannur IPL students not only meant for IITians, whatever kind of examination, whatever kind of Olympiad, you people will rock. So we have very lot of confidence on you. Be happy, 10th class students. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.